Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to make a chocolate cake. Say Anna, chocolate cake. So Anna has made a chocolate cake today. Yeah, it's in the microwave. Yes. What did you make? So chocolate cake. To make a chocolate cake, you need 1 cup of milk, half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Sugar you can add more if you like sweetie taste. And then you need 1/4 teaspoon of soda, any soda you can use. Little vanilla essence, but we forgot to add, so it's okay. You half cup of oil, vegetable oil. That's all. So let's get started. Half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon of soda. Yeah, it's a cake. Say hi. Hello, bol do hello.
Hello.
Cake. What is this?
Hello.
We are making a cake. Say karo. Say karo. We are greasing a pan. A cake pan. What is this? Oh. Cake is ready. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Thank you guys for watching our video. If you like this video, please like our video, subscribe our channel and share our videos. Say bye-bye. Take care. Love you all. Kisses to all. Give it. Bye guys. Stay tuned for more such cute videos. Little chef in making. Oh God. What is this, Anna? You made this cake. Wow.